The world is changing faster than ever before. Technology is driving this unprecedented transformation. Businesses are facing an overwhelming wave of digital innovation. The question is, are you prepared to ride this wave or be swept away? This is not just about upgrading your computers or using the latest software. It's about fundamentally rethinking how your business operates in a digital world. It's about embracing new technologies and adapting your strategies to stay ahead of the curve. The digital tsunami is here, and those who are prepared will thrive.
Digital transformation is the integration of digital technology into all areas of a business. It's about fundamentally changing how you operate and deliver value to customers. Automation is a key part of this transformation. It involves using technology to automate tasks that were previously done by humans. This doesn't mean replacing humans altogether. Instead, it's about freeing up your employees to focus on higher value tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and human interaction. Digital transformation and automation are not just buzzwords. They are the keys to unlocking new levels of efficiency, productivity, and innovation.
The pace of technological change is relentless, and the business landscape is evolving at an unprecedented rate. Companies that fail to adapt to this new reality risk being left behind. Customers are demanding more personalized experiences, faster delivery times, and seamless interactions across all channels. To meet these demands and remain competitive, businesses must embrace digital transformation. Those who hesitate will find themselves struggling to keep up with more agile and innovative competitors. The time to act is now.
The digital revolution began in the mid-20th century with the invention of the transistor. This tiny device paved the way for the development of computers, the internet, and the countless digital technologies we rely on today. Over the past few decades, the pace of innovation has accelerated exponentially. From the first personal computers to the rise of the internet and the mobile revolution, each new wave of technology has disrupted industries and transformed the way we live and work. Today, we are on the cusp of another major leap forward, driven by technologies like artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and blockchain.
Section 5, the engine of change. AI, IoT, cloud, 5G, and blockchain. Several key technologies are driving the digital transformation of businesses today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, allows machines to learn from data and perform tasks that previously required human intelligence. The Internet of Things, or IoT, connects everyday objects to the Internet, enabling data collection and analysis on an unprecedented scale. Cloud computing provides on-demand access to computing resources, enabling businesses to scale their operations quickly and cost-effectively. 5G technology delivers lightning-fast internet speeds and low latency, unlocking new possibilities for mobile applications and data-intensive tasks. Blockchain technology enables secure and transparent transactions, revolutionizing industries like finance and supply chain management.
Section 6, Pioneers of Progress Industries. Leading the digital charge across various industries, forward-thinking companies are already reaping the benefits of digital transformation. In retail, companies like Amazon are using AI and data analytics to personalize the shopping experience and optimize their supply chains. In manufacturing, companies are using IoT sensors and data analytics to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, and create smarter factories. Healthcare providers are leveraging AI to improve diagnoses, personalize treatments, and enhance patient care. Financial institutions are using blockchain technology to streamline transactions, reduce fraud, and enhance security. These are just a few examples of how digital transformation is reshaping industries and creating new opportunities for growth and innovation.
Section 7, the automation advantage, types, and business benefits. Automation comes in many forms, each offering unique benefits to businesses. Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, uses software robots to automate repetitive, rules-based tasks, such as data entry or invoice processing. Intelligent Automation, or IA, combines RPA with artificial intelligence to automate more complex tasks that require judgment and decision-making. Machine Learning, or ML, allows machines to learn from data without explicit programming, enabling them to improve their performance over time. Deep learning, or DL, is a subset of ML that uses artificial neural networks to analyze vast amounts of data, enabling breakthroughs in areas like image recognition and natural language processing. By embracing these different types of automation, businesses can streamline their operations, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. Section 8. Navigating the challenges of automation. While the benefits of automation are clear, implementing it effectively comes with its own set of challenges. One of the biggest challenges is managing the impact on the workforce. As machines take over repetitive tasks, businesses need to reskill and upskill their employees for new roles that require creativity, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills. Another challenge is ensuring data security and privacy. As businesses collect and analyze vast amounts of data, they need to implement robust security measures to protect this information from cyber threats. Additionally, businesses need to address ethical concerns related to AI and automation, such as bias in algorithms and the potential impact on employment.
Section 9. Charting your course. Strategies for successful digital transformation. Successfully navigating the digital landscape requires a strategic approach. Start by creating a clear roadmap that outlines your digital transformation goals, key initiatives, and timelines. Foster a digital-ready culture by encouraging experimentation, embracing new technologies, and promoting continuous learning. Leverage data analytics to gain insights into your customers, operations, and market trends. Invest in the right technologies that align with your business objectives and integrate them seamlessly into your existing systems. Partner with experienced technology providers who can guide you through the process and provide ongoing support.
Section 10. The ever-evolving landscape, a call to action. Digital transformation is not a one-time event, but an ongoing journey. The technologies and trends shaping the business landscape are constantly evolving. To thrive in this dynamic environment, businesses need to embrace a culture of continuous learning, agility, and innovation. Don't wait for the future to arrive. Shape it yourself. Embrace digital transformation today and position your business for long-term success in the digital age. The future belongs to those who are bold enough to seize it.